Hey guys, today I will be doing this unboxing video of these Thomas & Friends wood. So we got Harvey, Rosie's prize pony, and Victor. So first we're going to open Victor. Okay, let's read this. Meet the fixer. A true friend that wants to help fix you when something's wrong, and that's what Victor does. Whenever his friends run into trouble, he's always there to fix them up. Okay, here is Victor. Choo-choo! Now, we got Harvey. Let's open him. First, let's read his one. Meet the big-hearted helper. Harvey is big-hearted and cheery. Can be sensitive about his appearance. When trouble strikes, he's always ready to clean up a mess or help his friends pick up the pieces. Okay, let's open his. Here we go.
We can go switch later, okay?
Wow.
Let's go play trains
It's
this
kind
time.
fun.
He's open trains there. Go
And he
return that, okay?
can.
We need to save. You can play. You can get you a new one.
Then you're going to open up Rosie's prize pony. Here we go. We got here's an animal card. Here is prize pony Rosie. Look, we can put the pony in here. Or these packages. Yeah. We will take Rosie. She can carry the horse. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is so cool. Right here, playing with our toys here at the Downs Family Park. Yeah, and that wraps it up for today, and peace out.